Guys, welcome back to another video. And guys, today I'm gonna make another detox drink, guys. But this time the last time I think, or the video before last Saturday, I had parsley. So I'm gonna add some parsley with cucumber, apple, ginger, and guys, we're gonna add some string beans. We're gonna add some string bean. And you know that string bean help with diabetic, guys. You know, you're putting, and I'm gonna use some spinach, guys. So it's all green today. It's gonna be green, and I'm gonna use a lime. So guys, I'm gonna wash my apples. I've already wash my string beans. As you can see, some water on them. So guys, I'm gonna just take my cucumber out of this plastic and wash it, because you don't know who packaged it. And I'm gonna wash my parsley, and we're gonna get into our juicing. So guys, I've washed all my ingredients. Of course, you know the cucumber can go into the juicer as it is like this, but these look a little thick, so I'm gonna just slice them in 4. So I have my apples in the bowl already, but I'm gonna take out the seeds. And guys, cucumbers hydrate you, and this is a detox blast, guys. So we're gonna just take off some of the skin off the lime. Guys, it was such a joy washing all my fruits. Oh, the water felt so good on my hands. It was a pleasure. So guys, we're gonna go in with our apple core. I'm gonna buy a new apple core, guys, because this one I use it so much. It's like it's coming apart. Guys, and as I said before, you can all use this part of the core of the apple to plant, because here you have the seeds in it, and I think this cushion it and help it break down, so you can get a apple tree. So here you have it, guys. So we're gonna core of the apples. I don't want to use the seeds. In my drink. That is why I'm pouring them. The core. And of course, we are gonna add a small piece of ginger. So everyone should have one of these little apple core in their house. They are very cheap, guys. I'm going to cut up the ginger very small because where the trash comes out in this juicer, it's a very small space, and you know apple has a lot of fiber, like a little string, like how thread would look. So that is why I'm cutting them up like this, so that it goes through. And what I'll do, I'll put in my ginger and then use an apple to push it out, push the trash out faster. So guys, let's go ahead with our juicing. Our string bean, they do not need to cut up, so I have them at the bottom. So guys, I'm gonna wash my board and I will get back to you, my cutting board. So guys, I'm placing my jugs and we are gonna turn on the machine now. And of course, you know, I'm gonna cut the knife out and we're gonna start to put everything in the machine. Look at this, guys. Wow. So let's go. So we're gonna pull the top, guys, and we're gonna pop an apple in and a few ginger. So guys, here we have our Cooven Revo 830, and today, guys, we are doing a powerful drink. As I said before at the first part of this video, we are using spinach, cucumber, apple, celery, lemon, ginger and string bean, and this is a powerful detox blast for the body. So now we're popping in an apple and we are going to put in some celery. So guys, you have 2 feeding chutes for this juicer, so I've just used the one that you can pop in an entire carrot in or a cucumber, and on the other side you can put an apple in, an entire apple. But guys, I always try and core my apples first because I don't like to use the seed in my drink. I should do some research on the apple seed to see what it is or what you get out of it, but I choose to take the seeds out. So now we're gonna pop some celery in and we are gonna keep going, guys. So with the celery, I normally put a fruit and it goes down easily, so I might have to put a piece of cucumber. Okay, I didn't have to put any cucumber in it. Sometimes I put one and push it down. So there you have it. You can see everything is being crushed and coming together so nicely in the mixing bowl of the Cooven Revo 830. And guys, do you know that they have a Auto 10? I am going to invest in one of the Cooven Auto 10 And guys, I've added string bean because it has vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and it is so good for us. People with diabetic can have this drink, but you know, with the fruits, it has sugar in it. I have just some apple that I added. So guys, do your own research. So guys, we are gonna let out our first batch of juice. So here you have it. Look at this, guys. Ooh, this is beautiful. Wow. So guys, we are gonna go into the second batch of drink. This is a real powerhouse detox drink, guys. You all should try this. I have this drink 3 times a week. It helps with water retention, it detoxes you, the cucumber cleans you, the apple a day keep the doctor away. So now we are gonna go through and add our spinach in the second batch, and everything will incorporate together. So guys, we are gonna pop some spinach in, and this is the leaf of the spinach. And guys, do you know that spinach protect our vision and it decrease blood pressure, improve your hair and your skin? Can you imagine? So let's pop our apple in, guys, and keep going, and soon we will have some juice in our mixing bowl. Let's have a look. There you go, guys. Nice green juice, healthy for our bodies. And guys, do you know that spinach alkalinizes the body? So guess what? If you incorporate spinach in a salad or in a juice every day, I tell you, your body will love you, guys. Your body will love you. Do you know that spinach also help to get people with bleeding gums? It helps to reduce it. Trust me, I've proven that before. And guys, let's touch a little bit about the parsley. It is good in vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin A. So you can consume the parsley in suitable combination with other juices, and that it will be okay. That is what I am doing now. And guys, you can always use your trash after you finish to make a smoothie. So I'm gonna pop some string bean in, and we are almost ready for the second serving of our drink. So guys, here is our second batch of drink. Wow, look at that, guys. And I tell you, it is refreshing, you know. So guys, as you go along, you can add, do your research and add things that go together. And the string bean in this drink is very, very, very healthy, because guys, when you cook things, sometimes doesn't have the same effect as when it is raw like this. So I'm gonna add some more string bean in my juicer and finish off this drink, and we are gonna share. So guys, I've just turned my juicer on to pump out the rest of juice that was in it. There it is, guys. I'm pumping out the rest, and I'm putting some leftovers that was in the bowl. just to bring a full jug so I can serve 2 nice glass. So there you have it, guys. Hope you all will try and make this juice. So now we are gonna serve our juice. So guys, we are going to serve our drink, and of course I'm gonna get some ice this time. So guys, let's pop in a little ice in the glass, and of course we're gonna just use some leaf here. With some string beans, guys, and because everything is green, I want it to have a little effect with the seeds, so I cut the string beans and put them right here, along with, I'm going to slice an apple, just like that, guys. Actually, I could put more string beans around. Yeah, that look nice to me. So we are going to serve our drink. Sorry about that. So here we go. A nice summer day or early in the morning, you can drink this, guys. So subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment and I will answer your comments because I read everyone. So thank you all for that 70k subscriber. Thank you so much. All the best again for 2025. There you have it. Let me get a smaller leaf. This is it, guys. So see you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend.